Ka Leshka Hydropower Project Stage 2, ka project penmi bording ba arspa shipo megawatt, lakmi lenti bakan sa yoklut ya baro ki jingbit menta usnam nakabenta ban sedang pentri no ya ka, ong menteri katanan bording. Kani ka project kaladap yoklupa khatway na ki khat artri ki jingbit ka bakentop ya ka environment but forest clearance, ki badan kam nakabenta ban la ban pentri ya kani ka project. Menteri ulaong bakabenta kabasa kade kabakam kongsan bar kabah syamjing Henry Ukerman skam ba ansala banyo hakabakut jong uni usnam. Ngidang sa satang kawe kabenta banyo lan. Kani kade kabakam syamjing bar kabakam jerwit jerwan. Henry Ukerman ba hakabakut jong uni usnam nginla banweng ya kane jing ong Mondal habakran syakila petai kabor. Hadian bala yoklut ya ke jingbit anla ban penyak syakmat ya ka projek kabaha ka jingmang tingka kabakot kumba arjar sispa klur tingka bat kaban longru ka waini ke projek penmi boarding kabahet tam ha ka Jylla ula benram. Haba keli menteri upentep baka jinglong asid jong kawa mentdu kalakam duna bat kabala pelong ya ka ban la ban pentre kam ya ka projek.
We are yet to clear one windows. And hopefully by this year we'll be clearing one windows. And this is the very tough and tricky windows. So hopefully by this year we'll clear Leshka 2 project, 210 megawatts. Window means in the sense chapter. There are 12 chapters to clear, like environment, forest, all those things are there. 12 chapters are to be cleared from Government of India. The CEA, all are involved. So 11 chapter has been cleared. One chapter is...
What is the one chapter? What is the...
Environmental and all these clearances.
So after that Leshka will be...
Then Leshka will be in a position to go ahead. Leshka 2, 10 megawatts.
200. It's quite a big thing.
210 megawatts.
The cost?
That's a big thing.
Cost will be coming around, it depends when we start at that particular point of time, what will be the rate. It will be around 2,100 plus crore.
This will be the costliest project.
As for us, yes, it is the biggest power project
So far, yes.
so far. It is ROR. It is ROR.